Hi, let me show you how to change Siri's voice on iPhone. So for that, let's start with opening settings. And here we need to scroll down till we can see tab Siri. Now, of course, make sure that Talk to Siri is turned on. And additionally, you can turn on press side button for Siri. Now, to change its voice, we need to find the voice section. And here you can pick different accents as well as different voice such as male and female voices. So let me just quickly show you each voice in this list.
The colors of the sky. The colors of the sky. The colors of the sky. The colors of the sky fade. The colors of the sky fade with the
Voice number 4 is a bit lagging, but
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin.
This is it. So now we can also switch to different accents.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun. The colors of the sky fade with the setting. The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the
And yep, to confirm your choice, you need to use this back arrow again and again.
The colors of the sky fade with the
Just like that. And also go in Siri responses and make sure to select prefer spoken responses if you want to hear Siri's voice. So now let's try this out. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes.
3 minutes, counting down.
And yep, this is it. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.